Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're excited to show you the COSORI 9Qt 8-in-1 dual air fryer. This appliance is designed for easy, versatile cooking with its dual basket system, making it ideal for families, couples, and anyone looking for healthier, low-oil meals. Let's dive into its key features. First, this air fryer includes a balanced dual basket system. Each 4.5 quart basket can be customized for separate dishes, allowing you to cook protein in one and vegetables in the other at the same time. It's perfect for diverse meals and is great for families with different dietary preferences. Next up is the sync finish feature. With this, both dishes can be cooked simultaneously, ensuring everything is ready to eat at the same time. It's a convenient function, especially if you and a partner want to enjoy a warm, freshly made meal together. The dual basket design also keeps flavors from mixing. This is a big advantage when cooking foods like seafood and vegetables, as it keeps each dish tasting just the way you want. With its large 9-quart capacity split across 2 baskets, you can prepare a full meal in one go, making it super convenient for family dinners or gatherings. You'll find that cooking big meals has never been easier. For versatility, the COSORI 8-in-1 dual air fryer includes 10 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, reheat, sync finish, sync cook, preheat, and shake reminder. Each function is designed to help you create delicious, crispy meals effortlessly. The sync cook function is another standout feature. It allows you to sync both baskets to cook up to 9 quarts at the same time, temperature, and settings. This makes cooking large batches of food easy and hassle-free. And finally, let's talk about healthier cooking. The low-oil technology of this air fryer allows you to enjoy the same crispy results as traditional frying but with up to 85% less oil, as tested with French fries. It's a fantastic option for families looking to enjoy more protein with less fat. In summary, the COSORI 9Qt 8-in-1 dual air fryer is packed with useful features like customizable dual basket cooking, sync functions, large capacity, and low-oil technology. It's a great addition to any kitchen, making meal prep quick, convenient, and healthy. If you'd like to learn more, check the purchase link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen gadget reviews and meal inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.